Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Machines Visit. Here's something that might surprise you. Every single year, the United States harvests around 661 million pounds of pecans. That's not just a statistic. That's proof of an agricultural powerhouse quietly dominating the global pecan market. But here's the real question. Have you ever stopped to wonder what it actually takes to get those buttery, rich pecans from towering orchards to your slice of pecan pie? Today, we're heading straight into the heart of America's pecan country. From the lush orchards of Georgia to the sun-soaked groves of Texas. And what you're about to see isn't just farming. It's precision science calculated force and a little bit of nutty genius. You'll watch machines shake trees so violently it looks like they're competing in a dance battle. You'll see pecans swept up like buried treasure. And you'll discover what really happens after they leave the farm. A process far more intense than most people realize. By the end of this video, you won't look at pecan pie the same way again. And you might just gain a whole new respect for the farmers behind one of America's most iconic flavors. Harvesting pecans isn't as simple as waiting for them to fall. It's a carefully timed operation that blends old-school farming instincts with cutting-edge technology. When harvest season begins, usually from October through November, orchards shift into controlled chaos. This is the most critical window of the year. Each pecan must reach perfect ripeness. The green outer husk slowly splits open, revealing the hard shell inside. That crack is a signal. Too early, and the nut lacks flavor. Too late, and it's lost to weather or wildlife. Timing isn't important here. It's everything. And getting those high-quality pecans from tree to ground, and eventually to the processing plant, requires a sequence of powerful, precisely executed steps, all supported by advanced machinery. It starts with one of the most dramatic tools in modern agriculture, the tree shaker. Tree shakers don't gently nudge branches. They grip the trunk with a hydraulic clamp and unleash intense, controlled vibrations. For a few seconds, the tree trembles at high frequency, strong enough to send ripe pecans raining down, but controlled enough to avoid damaging the trunk or roots. It looks aggressive. It sounds violent, but it's engineered with surgical precision. For massive trees, some towering close to 100 feet, farms rely on larger, more powerful shaker units capable of gripping thick trunks. These machines aren't just about speed. They're about protecting the long-term health of the orchard. Because a damaged tree doesn't just affect one harvest. It affects years of future yield. Once the pecans hit the ground, the race continues. Now comes the gathering phase. Nut sweepers and row gatherers move in, usually attached to tractors. Rotating brushes spin rapidly, sweeping pecans, dry leaves, and fallen debris into long, organized rows. Some advanced models even use air-blowing systems to push lighter debris aside, keeping the rows clean and efficient. The goal isn't just collection, it's control. A messy orchard slows everything down. A clean row speeds up the entire operation. Then enters a pecan harvester. This machine glides over the rows, using rotating conveyor belts to gently lift pecans from the ground and transport them into a large onboard container. At the same time, a powerful fan system removes dirt, dust, and lighter debris. Only the heavier pecans and necessary shell pieces remain. It's fast, it's efficient, and surprisingly delicate. When the container fills, the pecans are transferred to specialized transport trucks. And even this stage is critical. These trucks are designed to protect the nuts from weather exposure and environmental damage during transit. Timing matters here too, because freshness affects flavor, texture, and value. Modern machinery has completely transformed pecan harvesting. Thousands of trees can now be handled in a single day. Loss is minimized. Nutritional quality is preserved, and waste is reduced thanks to smarter cleaning systems. But harvesting is only half the story. Because what happens next might surprise you even more. Once the pecans arrive at the processing plant, the real transformation begins. They're poured into a receiving pit, where preliminary cleaning starts immediately. Conveyor belts carry them through powerful air blowers and vibrating screens that remove large impurities, branches, leaves, and clumps of dirt collected during harvest. This isn't optional. It's essential. Any contamination at this stage could compromise the entire batch. Next, the pecans move into a high-powered aspirator, a vacuum system that uses strong airflow to eliminate lighter shell fragments dust, and fine particles. By the end of this stage, the nuts are nearly spotless. But here's the twist most people don't expect. Before you ever crack open pecan at home, it goes through sterilization. The nuts are submerged in a chlorine solution that meets strict food safety standards. This step removes bacteria and potential contaminants that could affect quality or shelf life. Afterward, they're rinsed thoroughly with hot, clean water to eliminate any chemical residue. Hygiene here isn't negotiable. Then comes drying. The pecans enter an industrial dryer where carefully controlled temperatures reduce internal moisture to about 4 to 5%. This precise balance is critical. Too much moisture leads to spoilage. Too little can affect texture. At the correct level, the pecans maintain their signature crunch and rich flavor. Now comes one of the most delicate stages, shelling. Inside specialized shelling machines, pistons apply even pressure from both ends of the shell, cracking it without crushing the nut inside. It requires exact force. Too much pressure reduces commercial value. Too little leaves shells intact. After shell removal, the nuts move through vibrating size sorters, separating them into large, medium, and small categories depending on commercial use. But machines alone aren't trusted completely. Advanced optical scanners analyze each pecan using image detection technology, identifying discoloration or damage invisible to the human eye. Any nut that fails the standard is automatically removed. And still, human workers perform a final manual inspection, because even in a high-tech facility, experience and judgment still matter. Finally, the pecans are packaged. Whole nuts, broken pieces, or shell kernels, depending on market demand. Every package is labeled with origin, quality grade, and expiration date, ensuring transparency and safety. Pecans aren't just a crop. Economically, they're a high-value agricultural product supporting farmers across the country. Culturally, they symbolize prosperity and celebration, especially during holidays when pecan pies and desserts take center stage. They're used in countless dishes, nutritious snacks, and even as a source of vegetable oil linked to health and beauty benefits. So, the next time you take a bite of pecan pie, remember the shaking trees, the roar machines, the precision cracking, the sterilization tanks, the human hands making final decisions. What looks simple on your plate is actually the result of timing, engineering, and relentless dedication. We've just uncovered the full journey, from orchard to table, and the hidden intensity behind one of America's favorite nuts. If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop your thoughts and comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Machines Visit for more powerful stories from the world of machines and modern industry. See you in the next video.